Hey everybody, Mr. Youngman here, and today we're going to take a really quick look at how to complete the Domain 1 pretest for Photoshop on GMetrix. We're going to go ahead and get started by clicking this login link at the bottom of the assignment, and this would bring us to the GMetrix login page. If you don't remember your login information, that's alright, just come talk to me and I'll be able to help you get in. It's been quite a while since we did set this up at the beginning of the school year. So I'm just going to go ahead and get signed in. And once we're signed in, you'll come into a home screen that looks something more or less like this. We're going to start by going to Courses over on the left. And then we're going to select Adobe Photoshop or Professional PS right here. From here, we're going to go down to Domain 1 on the left-hand side of our screen, Working in the Design Industry. We're going to go to Domain 1, Working in the Design Industry Pre-Assessment. And this is what we're going to be completing today. We're going to go ahead and press Start Test here. And I'm going to skip ahead a little bit because it'd be a little bit silly for me to show you the answers here. But just a really quick overview of how this works. We're going to select our answer from these options, and then we will click Next. Be very careful when you're reading the directions. Sometimes it will tell you to pick more than one option. But I will complete this pre-assessment on my end, and I will see you on the other side. So be right back. All right, once we have answered all our questions here, we'll come to the review page. We're just going to check to make sure that we have in fact answered every question. And if we want to go back and check, we can always go to this button right here to go back to a previous question. But I can see that I have finished everything, so I'm going to go ahead and press Finish. Once we have finished our pre-assessment here, we're going to just go ahead and screenshot this page. So on a Mac, that is Command-Shift-4. We're just going to go to the top left corner, drag all the way to the bottom right, and release our mouse. On a Windows computer, that is going to be Windows S. Once we have taken that screenshot, we're just going to get that uploaded onto Google Classroom the same way we would upload any other screenshot, just to show me how you did and to let me know that you have completed it. So this pre-assessment honestly didn't go as well as I had hoped on my end. I specialize in video, not graphic design, but we're able to take this as a really great learning opportunity. One, just to recognize that this is something that we're going to have to work at and something that's going to be a little bit of work for both you and for me. But two, also that we can use this as an opportunity to review our missed questions. If we click on Review Missed Questions here, we're able to see what we had put in originally, and we're actually able to change our answer. So I'm going to select Statement to unselect that. I'm going to put on Demographics, and we will hit Next. And it will tell you if your new revised answer is correct or not. So this is a really, really useful learning tool just to check our own understanding. This is a pre-assessment, so we haven't really gone over any material yet, and we're not really expecting necessarily to get the right answers here. But I know as a learner, I always like to see where things went wrong. So this is a really, really valuable opportunity for me. So this is just a really great tool for being able to find out a little bit more about kind of what answers we're looking for on these certification exams.